This is why a 3D printer is absolutely the best tool to have in your shop. I needed a corner clamp on my Onefinity CNC machine so I could more consistently line up my workpieces. So I went into Fusion 360. Also, throwback, these pencils were the ones that used to make me feel really smart back in high school. And I modeled up something like this. Please work. I modeled them around these 1/4-inch bolts, so let's hope they fit. And I should have added more clearance. Second best tool to have in the shop. It lined up perfectly. For more tips on how to spend $200 to save $5, give me a follow.